Okay, this is me just trying to show you uh, how this is a payment request, right? For $200. Now, this $200 was made from $20. Maybe I should just show you. I've made my withdrawal process, so it's just for them to uh, honor it and then it will go through. You can see all the trade. Are there losses? Will there be losses? Of course, there will be losses. You can see losses of 20 million. There will always be losses, but the plan is to grow, grow, and make the money. That's the plan. Uh, Anybody can do this. I've always been saying $100, 180 is more of like close to 65,000 naira with 20 with 7,000 naira. So you need to understand it's all about profit making. God bless you. See you in another video.